be fixing this hydraulic hose on this 84-inch soil conditioner. And I got to get in here to get this top hose off. And it runs across here and right here. It's got a nick in it there. It's leaking oil out of it. So I think I'm going to try to get this plate off and see if I can get a wrench down in there. Yep. I got nuts on the bottom. I don't even know if I can get a wrench into that one. Okay. Probably a 1-inch, or 1.25 inches. Now, that's 11/16. There's 1.16 inches. No, that ain't it either. 1.125 inches. 1.25 might be too big. Nope. Get my hydraulic tool kit, cap that line off so I don't make a mess. Alright, well, that's pretty easy. Alright, make sure these are the same length. They are. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I could have had this hose made, but it was $166 pre-made with the wrap on it straight from Bobcat to the exact length, but it's getting just as expensive now to have a hose made as it is to just order the factory pre-made ones. These fittings are getting so high, those things are probably $40-50 for the fittings now on some of them. Now, if that ever gets loose, we'll know. There we go. Okay. Well, this one's so close, I'm gonna see if I can go get that cut off right there and have a new fitting crimped on. It'll make it like 1 inch shorter, but maybe we'll be able to use it for something else, or at least a spare line or something. So anyway, that was pretty easy. So now start this thing up, see if it leaks. Yeah, looks like it's good to go. I don't see anything leaking on that one. Nothing leaking up here on this one. I think the next thing I gotta fix here is this seal up here. Looks like it's starting to leak. It's not leaking too bad yet, but put that on the list to fix next. So now I'll get this bolted back up and we'll call this one fixed up for now. looks good on this. I got the oil cleaned up with some super clean, got it all cleaned up, nothing's leaking. So I'm gonna pressure wash this thing off and cut the bell twine off of it that I got wrapped up in it over there, grading some dirt, and we'll take this other hose in, see if I can get a new fitting put on it. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all next time.